this time I've been underneath Paris? Wow. It's beautiful.
The most beautiful.
Gusteau's? Your restaurant? You've led me to your restaurant.
It seems as though I have. Yes, there it is. I have led you to it.
I gotta see this.
Coming up! I need more soup balls, please!
I need 2 salmon, 3 salad composé, and a 3 filet.
I can't believe it. A real gourmet kitchen and I get to watch.
You've read my book. Let us see how much you know, huh?